Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of these delicious and healthy whole wheat mini pizzas. These pizzas are made without cheese, yeast or oven. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया को चाहउचंती देन तळे थिवा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. To start with the recipe, first take 1 cup of whole wheat flour or atta, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar and mix everything well. Gradually add half cup of curd and mix. Form a soft and sticky dough. Transfer the dough to countertop and knead for 5 to 7 minutes. It's important to knead for 5 to 7 minutes so that gluten can be developed. Now add 1 teaspoon of oil and knead for 1 to 2 minutes. Our super soft and smooth dough is ready. Transfer it to a bowl. Apply 1 teaspoon of oil. Cover and rest for 25 to 30 minutes. Now let's prepare the cheese alternative. First heat 1 teaspoon of butter in a kadai. To that add 1.5 tablespoon of wheat flour or atta. Roast for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add 1 cup of milk and whisk. Stir continuously till the flour dissolves completely. The mixture has thickened now. Add salt as per taste. Mix well and our cheese alternative is ready. Transfer it to a bowl and allow it to cool down. It will thicken a bit more after it's cooled down. Our dough is well rested now. Knead for 2 to 3 minutes. Take a small portion and make a ball. Sprinkle a little bit of flour and roll it out slightly thick. Here we are making mini pizzas. You can also make regular sized pizzas. Prick the base using a fork. Now roast both sides on tawa. Our instant pizza base is ready. Now apply 1 teaspoon of pizza sauce, the prepared cheese alternative sauce, onion pieces, capsicum pieces and tomato pieces. You can also add any vegetables you want. Now sprinkle mixed herbs and some chili flakes. Place a pizza on tawa. Add a half teaspoon of olive oil. Cover and cook for a minute. Our tasty and healthy mini pizza is ready now. These pizzas are quick and easy to make and are so delicious that they will completely satisfy your pizza cravings. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.